Most people get their paycheck and make one of two mistakes. They spend it first and invest whatever happens to be left over, or they try to do everything at once and end up doing nothing well. Neither of those approaches is a strategy. To fix this, you need three things in front of you. Get your most recent pay stub, write down a list of your current debts with their exact interest rates, and open your employer benefits portal. The same dollar deployed in the wrong order builds almost nothing. Deployed in the right order, it compounds. The sequence you use determines the actual value of your income. We are going to follow a strict 6-step linear sequence. You do not need to download another budgeting app or track every coffee purchase. You simply need to route your money through these 6 steps, in this exact order, every single payday. The people who are quietly building wealth are rarely earning significantly more than you. They are simply adhering to an operational sequence that removes all guesswork and emotion from payday. Step 1 is building a basic emergency floor. Before you invest a single dollar, you must set aside $1,000 to $2,000 in a high-yield savings account. A standard checking account earns a negligible 0.1%. A high-yield account pays closer to 4.5%. This is your buffer. Without it, an unexpected medical bill forces you to sell investments at the worst time. You need this floor first. Once that cash buffer exists, move to step 2, capturing your employer 401k match. This is the closest thing to guaranteed free capital you will ever find. If you earn $60,000 a year and your employer matches half of your contributions up to 6%, you contribute $3,600. Your employer immediately adds $1,800 for free. That's an instant 50% return before the market opens. Check your benefits portal. Contribute exactly enough to capture every single dollar of that match, and then stop. Halt your contributions there and move immediately to the next phase. Steps 1 and 2 create your absolute baseline. Failing to secure this liquid cash floor and the full employer match leaves thousands of dollars exposed or completely abandoned every single year. Step 3 targets the drag on your finances. You must aggressively eliminate all high-interest debt. Look at the list you made earlier. Circle any credit cards or personal loans carrying an annual percentage rate above 8%. The S&P 500 averages a 10% return. If you carry a credit card balance at 22% interest, you cannot invest your way out of that deficit. Every available dollar gets routed directly to this debt until the balance reaches zero. Most people skip this step entirely because paying down a credit card simply doesn't feel like building wealth. But eliminating a 22% DRAD guarantees a 22% return on your money. Secure that return before you buy a single share of stock. Step 4 shifts your focus from defense to offense. Now that the high-interest debt is gone, maximize your tax-advantaged accounts. If you're under 50, current rules allow you to route up to $7,000 per year into a Roth IRA. Inside a Roth IRA, your money grows tax-free. A single $7,000 contribution made at 25 years old, left untouched at a 10% average return, compounds to roughly $300,000 by retirement. You pay taxes on the seed, never the harvest. With your tax shields maxed out, step 5 is expanding your initial cash floor into a full emergency reserve, spanning 3 to 6 months. This number is based strictly on your essential living expenses. Calculate your rent, utilities, basic food, transportation, and insurance. Do not include discretionary spending or dining out. Calculate only what you need to survive. Isolate these funds in the same high-yield savings account from step 1. Do not put this money in the stock market. Its only job is to remain highly liquid and available the exact moment an actual emergency happens to you. Completing steps 4 and 5 locks your system into place. You have transitioned from temporary financial fixes into a permanent, protected structure built to survive market crashes and minimize taxation. Step 6 is the final phase, the standard taxable brokerage account. Unlike the Roth IRA or your 401k, this account has no contribution limits. Everything left over in your budget goes here. You are not picking individual stocks. You are buying broadly diversified, low-cost index funds or total market funds that match your timeline and risk tolerance. Set a specific date for your contributions and automate the transfer. You do not need to watch the daily headlines, and you do not need to time the market. You simply let the system run. This step functions as an infinite long-term wealth engine.
It can operate entirely passively because the 5 preceding steps have structurally eliminated your risk of sudden cash shortages and toxic debt. This linear checklist outlines the full framework: emergency buffer, employer match, high-interest debt, tax-advantaged accounts, full emergency reserve, taxable brokerage. It will likely be impossible for you to fully fund all 6 steps simultaneously with a single paycheck. That is completely normal. The core rule of this framework is that the exact sequence of the steps matters vastly more than the speed at which you complete them. Start at step 1. When it is finished, move to step 2. Identify exactly where you are on the list. When your next paycheck clears, apply every dollar exclusively to that single step until complete. Abandon the urge to skip ahead or attempt everything at once. Adhering to this disciplined sequence is the precise mechanism that separates those who actually build wealth from those who merely manage their income.